Hi, this is assignment 1, case study for MetCON project. As you can see, this is the original schedule with duration and critical path. As you can see, the duration of this project is 248 days. This project was started on Monday the 4th of January 2010 and finished on 21st of December 2010. As the deadline of this project was 25th of October and it has already passed that deadline, so it is going to be completed by 21st of December. You can notice on the left hand side the task mode is automatically scheduled for this Microsoft project, and on the right hand side is the Gantt chart which shows the critical path in pink boxes, and these are the activities which are on the critical path. Architectural design decisions, feature specification, database, review design, integration, procure prototype, lab test prototype, field test prototype, adjust designs, order stock parts. Then just jumping one ahead, this is assemble production unit. See, it is on the critical path. Then comes the test unit, then produce test 30 units, then train sales representative as the last activity. So these all are the critical path. Moving on to the revised schedule which I have created so that it reaches the deadline. So as you can see, the duration is 208 days, finish date is 25th of October, start date is as same as 4th of January 2010. If the original schedule, which was part A, was followed without any changes, the project would fail to complete before the deadline. Therefore, start-to-start lags were implemented to complete the project on time. So, implementing start-to-start lags. So just click on document design, double click on it. Document design could begin 5 days after the start of review design. So that's review design 5 days after. So we can put it as start to start date 5 days. Just click on the days, lags, click OK, and that's how you do the lagging for document design. Followed by adjust design, it's just here, double click, same way, start to start 15 days lag. Then order stock parts is also the same way, followed by custom stock parts, same way, and then the last is the train sales representatives. Double click on it. When you initially double click on it, you will just get produce 30 units, finish to finish you have to set, and then 5 days lag. But it's also written that train sales representatives could begin 5 days after the start of test unit and complete 5 days after the production of 30 units. So you just have to click on this ID, write 29, which is just above the produce 30 units, which will automatically show test unit, and just you have to set the start to start days for 5 days. Click on OK. That's how you do the implementation of the lags. Then we do the crashing activity. So the crashing activities could reduce the cost and meet the October 25th deadline. So the activities which I crashed is the database. It is just here. So basically you just reduce the days. So it was initially 40 days, you reduce to 35, that's 5 days deducted. Then you go to procure prototype, that is initially it was 20 days, you reduce to 15 days, and it's total of 10 days is reduced. Then you go to order stock parts, it is just here, and it was 15 days initially, you reduce to 10 days, so total 15 days are reduced. And these are the 3 activities which are present on the critical path, you can actually say. database. It's present on the critical path, and it is required for crashing. However, crashing activities like voice recognition, external specification, and document design do not lie on the critical path. As you can see, it's on the purple. That's why they will have no impact on the duration of the project. So the new schedule, so this is the new schedule. As you can see, the original schedule in part A, the deadline has passed 25th of October 2010, and therefore it will be completed by 21st of December of 2010. After following the crashing activities and implementation of the lags, we can see that in part B, the duration is expected to be completed by 25th of October 2010. These are the changes that I have done to shorten the project duration so that it can meet the deadline of 25th of October 2010. Thank you.